It's been said, having someone steal your heart is one of the greatest crimes to occur. It's been said that the butterflies in your stomach when you see him will always bring joy. It's been said that sleeping to the thought of him can bring you some of the most peaceful dreams. Yet what happens when the suspect was charged with more than theft, to the point of larceny, to the point of vandalism, when the butterflies were caterpillars feeding on your insides to grow, when the thought of him only brings tears, waking in a cold sweat, sleepless nights, is it still worth it in the end? When you build acres upon acres of gardens, your blood, sweat, and tears placed within every single flower with only your sheer will to get him to acknowledge your work, keeping you working, keeping you alive. When you can't seem to find even the smallest wilted petal in his garden with your name on it, is it still worth it in the end? Placing your heart on display, the front shelf of the library, the most read of all the bestsellers, a story that was in development for 14 years, it returned in a pile of pages, the spine barely standing, the words illegible, the story itself already well known and spoiled. What can reading words to a story with no surprise bring to you? Is it still worth it in the end? Words spent on him could write the most beautiful story in humanity. Art spent on him could be placed in the world's most refined museums. Hours spent on him could time the lifespan of the sun. Yet words spent on you aren't even enough to form a sentence. Art spent on you can't even be placed on the fridge. Seconds spent of you go faster than a blink of an eye. Are you still worth it in the end? Why is it that we spend our lives on someone else when ours is just left for taking? If we can convince someone as though they're the greatest thing humanity has produced, why is it someone else? Why not convince you your words are the ones he receives, your arts are the ones he is gifted, your time is the one giving him the attention worth a lifetime. You produce gifts that surpass Shakespeare, Picasso, and Father Time themselves, yet you still ask yourself, are you still worth it in the end? I say, having someone steal your heart is a crime you should bring to justice. I say the butterflies in your stomach should be nurtured from your potential to fly out to the world and share the gift of your existence. I say sleeping to the thought of you can bring those peaceful dreams into reality. I say, I am worth it in the end.